Hi friends, with the continuation of previous lecture, we will be studying about the similitude and the types of similarities in this video. In the previous video, we saw about the introduction to model analysis and what is the difference between model and the prototype. Just as a glance of it. Model analysis. So model analysis is nothing but the replica of the structure, and the prototype is nothing but the actual structure. So in continuation of that, as we studied in the note, the perfect or the exact solution can be obtained only if the similarities between model and the prototype are same. So we need to know what are the types of similarity and what is the similitude is all about. So similitude it is defined as the similarity between model and the prototype in every respect, which means model and the prototype have similar properties, or model and the prototype are completely similar. Similitude is nothing but the similarity between the model and the prototype. There are three types of similarities must exist between model and prototype. Those are geometric similarity, kinematic similarity, and dynamic similarity. Geometric similarity is nothing but a similarity related to the dimensions. Kinematic similarity is and dynamic similarity is related to the force and the motion. Yes, geometric similarity. It is nothing but the similarity of shape. It is said to exist between model and the prototype if a ratio of all the corresponding linear dimensions in the model and prototype are equal. So it is nothing but a similarity of shape. For example, here we have taken LBD. So LBD is nothing but length, breadth and diameter, and P represents for prototype and M for model, and R for scale ratio. So it is said that the geometric similarity will be equal if all the linear dimensions in the model and prototype. Okay. And also we need to know what are called as true models. So models are generally prepared with the same scale ratios in every direction. Such models are called as true models. And if we have different scale ratio, then those are called to be distorted model. And now we see about kinematic similarity. Kinematic similarity is a similarity of motion. It is said to exist between model and prototype if a ratio of velocities and acceleration at the corresponding points in the model and prototype are equal. So when do we have this kinematic similarity is nothing but when we have this velocity and the ratio, so velocity and acceleration of both model and the prototype are equal. Again, Vp1 and Vm1 are velocity in a prototype, and model in a velocity of model in prototype. Dynamic similarity. It is a similarity of forces. It is said to exist between model and prototype if the ratio of forces at the corresponding points. You all know that dynamic is nothing but it is something related to the force. Okay, so it is said to exist between model and the prototype if the ratio of forces at the corresponding points in the model and prototype are equal. Again, the same thing continues. Fr will be the force ratio. Thank you.